Hey friends, welcome back to my agenda, where we think highly of ourselves and we're kind to others, because if we don't, then who will? This is day 2 of Vlogmas. My theme is just giving you a posh tip, something that can elevate your game, step up your closet a little bit. One tip every work day of the week. So I will have another video dropping tomorrow, and then I'll take the weekend off to film some other content, and then I'll be back on Monday with Vlogmas day 3. All right. So today's tip is how you can elevate your photo game. All right, so as you can see, there's lighting in the room. I do have a ring light. That is not necessary. So I was the worst offender of taking really bad quality photos when I first started, and I will insert some photos for you to see. They're just really low quality, and it wasn't that the camera was bad, it wasn't that my phone was low budget, it was that the light was shoddy. So with that being said, do you need to go run and get a ring light? Absolutely not. What you need to do is use your, for real, utilize your natural light. However, a bad photo in a photo editing app can give you a great photo as well. And I'll show you what I mean right here. So with that being said, I'm going to compare a shoddy photo to a photo with light and a photo in a photo editing app. I mean, would you rather spend $65 on a pair of boots that look like this or this, right? That optically is just more appealing than this. It's kind of like psychology. It's nothing bad if your closet doesn't look like this. You probably still have a great closet. It has nothing to do with your closet. It's absolute preference and what catches the eye. This looks a lot cleaner than this. So for me, it's easy just to go in, pop in and edit one photo, make it the cover photo, and when they're hooked, they get in there and they see that description, it's a wrap. I'm just saying, face matters. That first impression, getting someone to actually click, just like a YouTube thumbnail, your closet is a representation of what else is in that closet. So when that photo is showing up on people's home pages, do they want to click on it? Does it look dirty? Does it look dingy? I don't know. I know. Don't judge me. I'm not judging you. I had some really bad quality photos, and I was still making sales. But I have noticed that my sales have gone up with better photos. I didn't start switching my cover photos for my items until very, very, very recently. And I typically only do about 2 in the app, and the rest of the photos are like with light. So that way it doesn't take a lot of time. I'm not running and popping every single photo into this photo editing app. I'm only using like my top 2 best photos that I think will be attractive as a cover photo. And that's going to be your tip for today. I really, really, really think this can elevate your game. It can make your closet look more cohesive. Again, it really comes down to preference. Is this a must? No. Are you still going to get sales? Probably. But will your closet look more cohesive? A little prettier? Probably. I'm going to link the name of the app down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Help me out. Help me grow. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. If you have questions, comments, concerns, want to disagree, that's fine. Leave your comments down below. If you have a different photo editing app, share that with us. We're all here to learn and grow. So make sure that you're imparting your knowledge as well. This is just small something, a little nugget, some tips that I've learned along the way. What is even a original idea anymore, right? So yes, all of us that are sharing our knowledge have gained it from somebody else. Some things we've come up with, but overall, a lot of us are sharing the same knowledge. And if we're sharing the same thing, it's probably because they work. So give them a try. Let me know, again, your comments down below. Take care. Thank you so much for being here. Again, don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell. I focus on Poshmark, and I love doing polygel nails, which for y'all, I'll be dropping some content shortly as well. Thank you again for being here. Take care. Until tomorrow. Bye, guys. Share love always.